put the system in use, this little carbon monoxide detector and smoke detector will be running all the time and will cause a drain on your battery. Your converter, I believe they call this thing, you got your AC panel on the left, you got DC fuses on the right, AC breakers, everything is labeled, and some spare fuses. Although I've never had to use them, I just keep them there just in case. Underneath it is the charger. The shore power charger is not meant to charge fast, so if you're trying to recharge this thing fast, you need to either get a different battery charger or do it a different method. Simply though, you plug it in. The best way to do it is just leave it overnight.